Teachers were trained for months. Before they ever saw the panel, they were signed into Lumio. They were creating content, they were creating lessons. The smart panels themselves have gotten better. IQ has gotten better. Lumio is much more mature, including the OPS units to give the teachers choice. Obviously, there's money involved. That's an additional module that we're purchasing with the panel. But when you look at what we were buying, you compare the cost that we paid for that OPS module to the same cost in a laptop computer, and the OPS was a significant savings for us. So what we saw was this unique opportunity to put another computer in a classroom at a deep discount and have this native integration into the panel.
Lumio is such an amazing product because you're incorporating visual, auditory, and kinesthetic learning all into one lesson. The advantage of having the Windows computer installed, when we combine that whole package that Lumio can provide, is that teachers can access all of their online files, all of their resources. By pressing a button, they can go from having a whiteboard open where they're illustrating a concept to being able to model their thinking when they're going through processes. That enables students to really have their learning enhanced. It really has saved them a lot of time because everything is just in one device for them.